On this channel, over the past few years, we've been teaching people how to sell their house themselves to save thousands and thousands of dollars by avoiding those expensive real estate commissions. In this video, we're going to put that into practice. I'm getting ready to sell my own house, and I'm going to sell it for sale by owner. My name's Joel Y. I am a real estate agent in the state of Kansas. I have been for the last 13 years. And over those 13 years, I've done rather well. I've taken that money and saved it and invested it, and now I'm going to semi-retire. All my wife's grandchildren live in Europe, so we're going to move there. In the meantime, we're going to head down to Mexico for a couple months and surf and read and meditate and figure out what comes next. This video is going to kick off a series of me getting my house ready to sell, putting it on the market, selling it, and going through the closing process so I can show you all how easy it actually is. I have sold hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of homes since I've been a real estate agent, and this will be the first one that I've actually sold on my own. So here's the strategy. First, I'm just gonna list it straight out for sale by owner on Zillow and anywhere else it'll let me for free. And then I'm going to write in the comment section, and I have some videos explaining all this too. And then I'm gonna write in the comments that please contact me directly for the best price or something like that to try to avoid a real estate agent. And now if I don't get the offer that I want, a high enough one, and I will base that on what this market's like, what's going on in my neighborhood, and you know how much I think I want out of it, then I may list it. And that would be the same as you going to a flat fee service and listing your house. Because if I do list it on the MLS, then I'm probably going to have to pay a real estate agent. But I can tell you one thing, I'm damn sure not going to pay him 3% of the contract price of my house. I'm not paying anybody $6,000 to fill out some paperwork for me. So anyway, this is how it goes. So right now, we've been for the last couple of weeks getting the house ready to go. We've had a big garage sale. We're getting rid of all of our stuff, literally everything. We're gonna move with just a few suitcases and some sporting equipment like our bikes and stuff. And remember to please hit that subscribe button, because when you subscribe to this channel, it helps other people to find it, and they too can learn how to sell their house themselves and save thousands of dollars. So hit that subscribe button and be a hero. And then we'll hire a moving company and or actually like a package delivery company and move that stuff over. So here are the remnants of our garage sale. We had this great big garage sale where we sold literally everything that we own and sold it, and it went rather well. Now inside the house here, I'm gonna show you what it's like when you're getting rid of your life. Now everything's really a mess, so just ignore that. This is like all the stuff that we have left. Most of this is gonna be going to Goodwill or getting thrown away. So I'm going through the house room by room, just like it says in the product down below where I teach you how to sell your house yourself. I'm going through room by room, patching walls, getting things ready, selling stuff. Somebody's coming to pick up that desk set later. So far, this is all that we're taking with us, minus those shelves over there that are gonna go back in the closet. So not much. And this is our master. I have a painter coming to paint just 3 rooms. The rest of the walls are in pretty good condition, and I think we're just gonna clean those. So then that'll be done. So we'll keep you updated as we go along step by step and we work through this process. And yeah, as we sell our house ourselves and save thousands of dollars by avoiding those expensive real estate commissions. And thanks for watching. And again, subscribe, please, because when you subscribe to this channel, it helps other people to find it. And then they too can learn how to sell their house themselves and save thousands of dollars, and you will be everyone's hero. Thanks. See ya.